Hey guys, this is Suma and welcome to our channel Connect. Today I will be doing a quick unboxing and a detailed review about the all-new Apple Pencil 2nd generation. Speaking about the compatibility of this 2nd gen Apple Pencil, it works only with iPad Pro 2020 variants. If in case you already own the older version of the Apple Pencil, then just sell it off because it doesn't support magnetic charging. Okay guys, let's unbox now. Here we have some paperwork and documentation about the product which you can go through. This packaging doesn't include any cable for charging as the 2nd generation pencil charges magnetically with the iPad Pro 2020 model. So guys, first things first here. If in case you are in a state of confusion whether to invest around $129 US, that is approx 10,990 Indian rupees on this product, do watch this entire video where I will be putting up pointers on pros and cons that would make things simpler for you. The 2nd generation Apple Pencil has a very nice matte finish. It feels much nicer and looks premium. It has a flat edge here, so of course it's not gonna roll off unlike the 1st generation Apple Pencil. We do not have any extra nibs included in the package. However, you can purchase them separately. Link to purchase is put up in the description box down. The nib is pressure and tilt sensitive, but however, it tends to wear off over a period of time based on your usage. Here is a gist of pros and cons of Apple Pencil 2nd generation. There is much more to this Apple Pencil than just being categorized as a tool for digital art. Here are a couple of pointers on why should you buy an Apple Pencil? Is it really necessary? Yes. It acts as an extended arm at places where fine line touch is needed rather than leaving a bigger footprint using your fingers. My husband keeps editing videos, creatives, adding voiceovers and stuffs like that, and he feels it's very intuitive and precise. Secondly, speaking about the seamless browsing. iPadOS is a touch-dominant interface, and while browsing through Safari, it becomes very difficult to use fingers as a primary touch input as the buttons end up being a lot smaller, or it becomes very tough for the click and drag actions. Okay, so if in case you are a person like me who keeps forgetting your to-do list for the day and would prefer scribbling instead of using the good old QWERTY keypad to type out, then Apple Pencil can be a great tool. Also, students can take quick notes, edit their PDFs and so on. Apple Pencil is a great tool for digital art. It's very responsive and easy to use. You actually feel as if you're drawing on a piece of paper. There is no lag between the touch and the response from the screen. Some interesting features are double tap to change tools while sketching, pixel perfect precision, and best part is it attaches magnetically, wireless pairing and charging. For people who are interested in digital art, I say it's a big go-go. I hope this video has helped you in making a decision by now. That's all for today's video. If you guys have enjoyed, then please do like, share and subscribe and support the channel.